Hi everyone, and welcome back to Reeta Soul Food. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes. Today we're making a homemade coleslaw, so let's get started. You'll just need half a cabbage and 6 carrots, and what I've done here is just taken the skin off the carrots and washed all the ingredients. There's 2 ways that you can cut the cabbage, and I'll show you both ways. The first way is that I've taken the leaves off the cabbage and I've just curled them round, wrapped them up and just sliced them in this way. And you can see the thickness here. You can make it thicker or thinner as you like. I like it this kind of rustic style. The second way to cut the cabbage is, instead of taking the leaves apart, you're actually taking the whole of the half and then you're just slicing it in this way. The only thing is that the slices aren't as even and you have to go over them again and slice them in this way, so I actually prefer the first way, where you take the leaves separately, curl them round and then slice them. So now we're ready to grate the carrots. In this way it's much easier to grate the carrots, whereas with the cabbage we had to manually slice it, but this is the best effect. So now for our mixture, I've used 6 to 9 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Here I'm using vegan mayonnaise, but you can use the regular type of mayonnaise if you wish. Two tablespoons of soft cream cheese going in. Teaspoon of asafoetida powder, optional, salt as per taste. Give that a good mix. We're ready to go in with our cabbage and our carrots, so put those in and give it a good mix. Don't forget to check out the other recipes on my channel, Reeta Soul Food, and drop me a comment. Let me know what other recipes you'd like me to cook and share with you all. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more recipes.